So what's wrong? So which one's first, the Audi or this one? What's wrong with this one? Is this new for you, yeah?
Yeah. This one, mom's car.
Have you got the parts, no?
Yeah, what do I need? She fixed this. This is fixed. There's the bulbs that are needed. There's the thing. What else? There's the ball joint. That's the man.
Fucking... What the fuck is this? Fucking that's
Nuts.
nut. Wheel nut. That's not ball joint.
Okay, so I need to get the ball joint.
Fucking hell, man.
I won't get it now.
You didn't get it.
Because you have to take it out, the guy said. I have to bring the whole thing.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So you didn't get the ball joint?
No. I thought
fuck.
I said. I'll get it now.
Yeah?
They have it in Southside. I will get it now.
Okay, go now.
Yeah. Can you take this one out and send me a picture?
What?
Can you take a picture of this one?
Why?
Because I want to see the whole thing or what. When I went there, they told me I have to get a picture of it because they want to know if it's a whole thing or what.
The ball joint?
Yeah. So I just need a ball joint, that's all.
No, there are two, this type, yeah? This is upper arm and the lower arm.
Okay, so
And then it doesn't say there if it is upper arm joint or lower arm joint. Fucking hell. See? Near side, rear front, rearmost. Near side.
if you can take it
Near
out.
side. Okay, just move this car a little bit further because we are going to check the left side. The bull joint. What's that bull joint? Near side, rearmost, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the lower arm.
The lower arm, yeah?
Lower arm.
Okay, how much do you think it will be?
More or less 80 euro.
80, yeah?
Yeah, something.
Okay, I'll call you back.
So rear side, rear lower arm.
Ball joint, yeah?
No, you order assembly. The arm, not only the joint. It's coming on the whole lot.
What do you call it?
Rear lower arm. Rearmost lower arm. Okay. Suspension. So are you going to take it now? No?
Yeah, I'm going to straight them now.
I'm gonna start to strip it out.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you check everything else as well, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, we have a scenario here, guys. This is Audi 2011 and 60. It failed on the lower arm rear ball joint. So as a factory spec, you cannot just replace the ball joint itself because it's kind of factory fitting, no? So he needs the whole lot, like lower arm itself and assembly, and that's called the ball joint itself. So forgetting how started stripping this thing, the rearmost ball joint have to be changed. So if this ball joint worn, so as the rearmost bushing as well worn. So to get it out, you have to take down the splash board or engine cover on this one. And then since this car is new to the owner, we will see also if the timing belt was changed on this one. Okay. And beforehand we're gonna move this car farther down because it's too obvious, it's overlapping the center of the line, parking line. So to begin with, so this is the cockpit of the Audi E6. We experienced already with the timing belt on this one. So first you have the first button, press the first button.
Ireland.
This summer, escape to Castleknock Hotel. Nestled on Dublin's doorstep, immerse yourself in the surroundings of the Phoenix Park or enjoy a refreshing cocktail or two while basking in the charm of our sunlit patios. As the sun sets, delight in our award-winning dining at Earth and Vine and treat your taste buds to exquisite...
So we're gonna disengage the parking brake.
Would you like help?
No, fuck no. And then
Or a project in Dublin,
reverse.
let us know and we'll let everyone know on our Dublin Diary. Just email the details to dublindiary@sunshineradio.ie. The Dublin Diary is brought to you by Nature Nurture Pet Store.
disengage, park, reverse. Gonna reverse a little bit. That's it. The safety procedure before you going to park the car, since this is automatic, so you're gonna put it onto the neutral first, neutral, and once it is neutral, then that's the time you engage the parking brake. And then once you engage the parking brake, that is the correct time to put into park. So the reason why, so the engine won't be like a kind of tension, because once you put direct parking, it will like the engine has, or the flywheel has a latch on it that will lock in the flywheel. So in order not to get tension the flywheel or the locking device, you need to put into neutral, and after putting neutral, put parking or the handbrake or the parking brake, and then once it engages on the parking brake, put into the park, the gear put into park position, so it won't what is this, it won't have the tension, no, on the system, and then shut down the engine. That's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you. So this is his in-city report. It says ball joint near side front rearmost, so the lower arm rearmost is gone, and then we're gonna take it down. So this is it. Really bad. Okay, so we're gonna take picture on this one and then send picture to the owner so he can order the parts. This is the lower arm rear assembly unit or the ball joint. Okay, so yeah, so beforehand you're gonna of course sweep the first. You're gonna have to jack up and then put up axle stand as a backup. Our hydraulic jack is 4 tons anyway, but we won't take rest, no? Always have the backup like the axle stand. Okay, thank you. So that's it.